Science, we work from a clubhouse in a tree, exploring our world and its mysteries, lifelong learning, discovery, untamed science, adventuring. Uh-oh, hey, scream's coming in.
Hi, I'm Allison. What is sound anyway?
I think we can answer this. All right, what do you have, Haley?
Well, sound is a type of energy, and it begins when an object vibrates, like this string. Vibration just means to move back and forth really fast.
Yeah, and you know, the sound this guitar makes can either be really loud or very soft. It's depending on how hard I strum. This is awesome. Hey, check this out. Guitars aren't the only things that make sound. Here, let's check in with Danny.
Can you hear the different sounds we're making? The reason we can hear the sound is that the vibrations they're making with these instruments are traveling through the air to our ears. The lighter he hits the buckets, the softer the sound. But the harder they hit those buckets, the louder the sound. When he blows air into this glass bottle with more water, well, the vibrations create a higher pitched sound. But when she blows into this glass bottle with less water, well, we hear a low-pitched sound. You should try it. You can have your own jam session with you and your friends. Back to y'all in the clubhouse.
Thanks, Danny. I wonder if there's another way we can think about this.
Without sound, you couldn't hear this song. Loud or low, fast or slow, a wave upon the wave. And if you listen, it won't take it very long. Energy turns to wave and back again. Sound is energy, energy is sound. Travels fast, doesn't last, from the atmosphere to the ground. And if you listen very close, you can hear it change its flow. As it leaves the speaker, hits your ear, a vibration is born. Without sound, you couldn't hear this song. Loud or low, fast or slow, a wave upon the wind.
So we know that sound is a type of energy that's made when an object vibrates, causing air molecules to vibrate.
And you hear sound when those vibrations reach your ears.
From animals to technology, machines to weather, sounds are made everywhere we go. And they can be soft, or they can be loud. They can be high or low. So until next time, keep your ears wide open and never stop exploring your world.